Ever found yourself juggling multiple payment apps, wishing there was a simpler way to manage your transactions and maximize your rewards? Well, what if I told you there's a seamless method to combine the best of both FavePay's cashback and merchant loyalty with Boost's convenient e-wallet features? It's not a trick, and it's certainly not complicated. For anyone who's been using FavePay for those sweet cashback deals at their favorite cafes, restaurants, or retail spots, you know the value of those instant savings. And if you're a Boost user, you appreciate the ease of cashless payments, bill management, and perhaps even those fun shake rewards after a successful transaction. The beauty is, these two platforms have a fantastic synergy that allows you to pay for your FavePay transactions using your Boost e-wallet, effectively letting you double dip on benefits. Imagine this: you're at a FavePay participating outlet, ready to grab your usual coffee or perhaps a delicious meal. Typically, you'd open your Fave app, scan the QR code, enter the amount, and then select a linked credit or debit card. But what if your Boost wallet is already topped up, and you want to utilize those funds, plus potentially earn Boost rewards on top of your FavePay cashback? This is where the integration truly shines. So, how exactly do you make a FavePay transaction using Boost? It's surprisingly straightforward and takes just a few taps. Let's break it down step by step. First things first, ensure you have both the Fave app and the Boost app installed on your smartphone. Also, make sure your Boost wallet has sufficient funds for your intended purchase. You can always top up your Boost wallet easily through various methods, like online banking or debit cards, right within the Boost app. Now, when you're at the FavePay participating outlet and it's time to pay, you'll start with the Fave app, just as you normally would. Open the Fave app and tap on the Scan and Pay button. This will activate your phone's camera. Next, aim your camera at the FavePay QR code displayed at the merchant's counter. Every FavePay partner has a unique QR code, so make sure you're scanning the correct one for that specific outlet. Once the QR code is successfully scanned, the Fave app will display the merchant's name and prompt you to enter the total bill amount. Carefully key in the exact amount of your purchase and then tap on Continue to Payment. This is where the magic happens. On the payment confirmation screen within the Fave app, you'll see various payment options. Look for and select Boost as your preferred payment method. After selecting Boost, tap on Pay Now. You'll then be seamlessly redirected from the Fave app to the Boost payment page. This redirection is completely normal and secure. On the Boost payment page, you'll be asked to confirm the payment amount. Double-check that the amount matches your bill. To authorize the transaction, you'll need to enter your 6-digit PIN code for your Boost account. This PIN is crucial for security, so ensure you have it handy. Once you've entered your Boost PIN and the payment is confirmed, you're done. You'll typically receive a confirmation in both the Boost and Fave apps. And here's the exciting part: don't forget to head over to your Boost app after the transaction. Under the Profile tab, you might find a shake reward waiting for you. Give your phone a shake to claim instant cashback or other exciting rewards from Boost, on top of the FavePay cashback you've already secured. It's a win-win. This integration not only simplifies your cashless payment experience but also amplifies your savings and rewards. It's a smart way to get more out of every transaction by leveraging the strengths of two popular platforms. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.